Hello po. For everyone, especially for content creators and influencers on social media, I know that when our views or likes are low, sometimes we feel hurt and it seems like no one's supporting us, especially from people we know or even our relatives. But for me, likes and views should not be the basis for saying that people do not appreciate you. Just continue doing things that make you happy, especially if you know that what you are doing can inspire others. Let us always remember that what we do should not be done in expectation of something in return. People who truly care about others do not seek rewards, they simply give inspiration, hope, happiness to others. Even if not everyone likes the videos or content we create, nothing is wasted. What matters is that you were able to share the message you wanted to express. Even if only one or two people notice, that is already meaningful. It means someone believe in you and your effort and kindness are not wasted. Thank you so much.